With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Let's start the question. The question says that a compound MPXQ has a cubic closed packing arrangement of X. Its unit cell structure is shown below. The empirical formula of the compound is. So here we have the structure, and you can see that in this structure, let this X be represented by red color here, and this M will be represented by blue color. So here first of all we see about the number of atoms of M here. You see that the number of atoms are present at the edges of this structure, and it is present at one atom present at the center. So from this, the number of atoms of M equals to, so here we see that the 4 atoms are present, and the contribution of atoms at the edges will be 1 by 4. And 1 atom is present at the center, and the contribution of atoms at center will be 1. So after cancelling this 4, here we get 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. So from this, the number of atoms of M is 2 here. Now here we see about the number of atoms of X. So here you see that the number of atoms X are present at the corners. So here they are present at the corners and at the face center. So here we see that the number of atoms present at the corners are 8, and the contribution of the atoms will be 1 by 8 here. And here 6 atoms are present at the face center, and the contribution for this will be 1 by 2. Now from this, here we get, this get cancel out, this 1 and 3. So this will become 1 plus 3, that is equals to 4. So from this, our formula will become, first of all here we write about formula, that is M2 and X4. Now further we simplify it. So from after simplifying, here we get the empirical formula will become MX2, and this is present in option number B. So from this, our option B is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.